Hi again, Renee here with Jade Penguin Jewelry, and today I got my latest Goodwill blue box. This one came from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm going to try to do this in two parts so we don't have a marathon video. Oh my, that's a lot of bracelets. Alright, here we go. Okay, so here is our first half. A lot of bangles that I can't wear. I feel like I have this one. Let's see, it says SOL Soul 108, 106. Oh, I guess it's 106 on that side too. And then it has a mark right there on the inside. A wooden bracelet. Glitter. This one is enamel. This is rubber band to a candy cane. Plastic. More plastic. I think all of these stack. Yes, they all stack. There's the candy cane stand they were on. So I'll definitely want to test these, see what they are. Let's try to get all these bracelets out of the way. This one also opens, but I don't see any marks like the first orange bracelet. Put that with all of our other bracelets. Let's see. These say Simply Vera. Still got the Kohl's tag on them. And then these were hooked to them. Just black enamel. Pretty simple lever backs. They're not marked. This is plastic on a big metal chain. Oh, with free hair. Alright, what does this say? 1789, first President George Washington. So that'll probably be parts. This is broken. Oh, it just continues to come apart. Here we go, let's get that over there. Oh, I see a QL. I'll get to him next. There we go. Big statement necklace. Broken. No hang tag. That would be fun to make brooches out of, or bracelets. Okay, where'd that owl go? Here it is. Oh, it's an earring. He doesn't look too happy. But he's cute. Oh, I spy another owl, maybe? An owl head? Definitely try to get this apart. That feather's done for. Yeah, it's just glued on there with felt. Let's see. Yep, it's just felt. Let's see if we can get to the other end. That's a lot of beads. So definitely parts for this one. See, a bag of pearl studs. I don't think the studs are silver. Put that over there. Beaded bracelet on a barrel clasp. It's not too bad. Oh, here's a greyhound racing dog. He has his muzzle and his number 5. I don't think it's a silver charm or anything, but he's pretty cute. I'm over there with the littles. There's an earring. It's kind of grimy. Maybe in the second half we'll have a matching pair. That'd be good. There's a big hair somewhere and I keep losing it. Big stretchy bracelet. That elastic's pretty much done, so that'll be for parts. I don't know how that's tangled together. Let's see. There's an earring. The faceted teardrop. Okay. Oh, okay. It's 2 bracelets, that's why. Metal beads on elastic. I think that's JS. I love to love. I don't know JS. Jessica Simpson, maybe? I don't know if she made jewelry, I'll have to see. It's a very pretty statement necklace. Looks like everybody's there. No metal mark. No hang tag. See if I can find a similar one. Okay, this guy has a hang tag and a hair. Bijoux trenner. That chain definitely needs a little bit of love. It's really kind of dirty feeling. But the enamel's all there and it looks pretty good. So I'll have to research that name. I'm not really familiar. Alright, I got that hair out of the way. Let's see what's going on with this puffy heart. It's pretty good puffy heart. There's a little bit of, I think, a mark, or it might just be wear. I'll have to clean this and see what's going on with it. And it kind of feels silver, so I might test it. That's a pretty good puffy heart. Alright. And simple faux pearl necklace. Somewhat shorter than what I used to get for fake pearls. And a tassel with a feather. So this will probably be used for parts and redoing, maybe getting rid of the feather and adding something else to it, because that feather's got stuff on it. There's more hair. Large ceramic bead on a leather cord, so I'll probably ditch the leather. And this ball chain has definitely seen some better days too. All the finish is kind of worn off of it. That's gonna be for parts. That's a really cool little enamel bead on an earring. I don't think the back's silver, it might be. Let's see, what else we got? Another cute earring. The ear wire's really bent. It looks like all of this is one big necklace for the box clasp. Here we go. Maybe. Oh, maybe it's not. Oh, no, I don't know. Here we go. Okay, just kidding, 2 necklaces. So these are all plastic. So these might go, I want to say in a lot, they might go in a color lot, which I'm toying with doing. Just getting wearable pieces and putting them in a lot. Okay, if I can untangle it and it's not broken, it might be worth reselling. But it's kind of hard to tell if it's broken or not, as it sits in one big ball. And then our last piece that we took out, I don't know if those are, they might be real pearl, because there's hand knots in between each one, and they're different sizes and shapes. I don't see any seams. And it looks like the clasp is silver, so this might be real pearl. I'll have to see. But that's a pretty fun pearl necklace. I don't think that's too bad at all. So this is sitting on top in the box as well. Some chains with love, faith, carpe diem, courage. Kind of looks like last year's Christmas gift set. One little handful more and we'll call it. So this one is a necklace and it says dream. And the little star. This is a big velvet. Looks like a choker. Or it might be a choker and a necklace. Might have gone like that. I think those two things are together. And then 3 for $5. Big clunky earrings. Okay, last thing. Those look pretty good. I like these little earrings. Let me see if I can get it apart. Nice little teardrop setting. Doesn't look like they're marked at all. But they are cute. Alright, so that's part 1. We'll see you next time for part 2.